I'm going to print hello world. You are with Abdullah from TNET. Welcome to C language. If you need an IDE for C language, link is below the video. Before writing any C language code, we have to create a file to save the program. Remember to save the file with C extension. Open your file and write the code. Hash stands for header and hash includes a header file. I need a standard input-output file for input and output. stdio.h is a standard input-output header file. So this statement includes a standard input-output file. Real execution of C language starts from the main function. To declare a function, first type the data type, then the name of that function and the round brackets. If there are some parameter, we will write between these round brackets, but there is no parameter for the main function. Next, there are curly brackets that contain the body of the function. Let's explain what we did. We declared a main function with no parameters. Void is the data type, and this means that the function will not return anything. The code that will write between these curly brackets will run. Note that I am declaring the main function. We may type something else like process, but in that case I have to run the process function after declaring. Main function is the only function that runs automatically as the execution starts. All the C language programs start from the main function. Other functions are called in the body of the main function. This is the basic structure of C language program. We can run it. It is an empty program that will show nothing. Let's compile it. I'm using a GCC compiler in Linux. If you are using other operating system like Windows or any other operating system, the compilers are enlisted in the description. GCC compiler is very simple. Just type GCC, then the location of the file, and O with the minus sign stand to open as and the user defined name. All this statement means that hey GCC, compile this file as program. Now run program. It ran but there is no output, and now I am returning to the code to output hello world. There is a function printf from stdio.h that is used to output something in C language. Double quotes tell that there is a string. We'll discuss about the string later in our course. In our string I'm typing hello world and with an exclamation marks. At the end of every statement, never forget to type semicolon. That's all. Now let's run our code. Whoa, that's it. Hello world. Now create a hello world program to enter this word of C language. That is the one of the most powerful languages of the world. Thank you.